years existing in the market. Reway is not just a multi-level marketing platform. Reway is also directly affiliated into a research facility in Auckland, New Zealand, which is focusing on the development and research of oral live stem cell therapy. Excited na po ba kayong malaman pa mas maraming information? Alright. So according to World Health Organization po hindi po galing sa amin ha. So according to WHO, these are the top 10 killers in front of you. So for sure habang binabasa niyo po yan ngayon, may naaalala na po kayo sa isip niya na, ay, si Mari, ganito. Tama? May mga kamag-anak at mga kakilala po kayo. So, alam niyo po ba, according to WHO, 74% of people are dying because of chronic diseases in 2019. And according to them, they found out the top 4 factors why we are receiving this kind of deadly illnesses. And because of this top 4, napatunayan nila na every one of us right now is a walking, ticking bomb. Na anytime, any one of us right now can be diagnosed with these top 10 killers. So ano nga po ba yung top 4 factors? Number 1 is aging population. Every day we age, right? Kahit anong sayaw natin sa labas, prayer, at kahit ano pang gawin natin, kunin man natin lahat ng supplements sa buong mundo, we cannot stop aging. Tama po? Every day we age. Next is wrong diet. Kahit saan po tayo pumunta ngayon, may fast food. Am I right? Sino po dito yung nag-fast food na for the past 7 days? Guilty rin po ako. So, ibig sabihin po pala, hindi na natin maiiwasan ang unhealthy lifestyle. Am I right? Next is inevitable stress. Kahit baby po, kahit newborn baby, nai-stress na. Kapag umiiyak sila at hindi nabibigay kagad yung kailangan nila, nai-stress. Tama po? What more an adult like us? So yung pila pa lang po kanina, medyo nagkasiksikan, may mga na-stress. Tama po? Hindi natin naiiwasan. And number 4 is pollution. Everywhere we go, there is pollution. Tama? Pero alam niyo po ba, napansin niyo dun sa top 4 na yan, 3 po dyan kaya pa nating i-manage. Wrong diet, inevitable stress at pollution. Somehow kaya pa natin siyang i-manage tayong mga tao. But then, aging, kahit sino wala tayong ligtas dyan. So as we age, our health deteriorates. Tama po?
Yes.
So wala tayong ligtas sa top 10 na nakikita natin. But good thing, our recent medical science breakthrough was able to discover a stem cell. Take note po ha, discovery. This is not being invented by Reway or anyone. Ibig sabihin po ng discovery, it is already been there, na-discover lang ng mga scientists natin. And hindi rin po si Reway ang nag-discover nito. This was been discovered decades ago. So what is stem cell, Ma'am CJ? Stem cell po is the united form of sperm cell and egg cell ng mother and ng daddy natin. So nung mga gabi na hindi po nila napigilan after kasal, ayan na-form si stem cell. And it will rapidly duplicate, will form into blastocysts, will soon develop into more than 300 different types of stem cells, and after 9 months, a baby. You and me. So in short, gawa po pala tayo sa stem cells. From the tip of our hair to the tip of our toenails, lahat yan gawa sa stem cells. So, alam niyo po bang tinagurian tong The Secret of Rich and Famous kasi hindi po madali ang pag-acquire ng stem cells. And alam niyo po bang tinagurian din tong unlimited possibilities of treatment boundaries. Bakit? Alam niyo po bang 3 ang kayang gawin ng stem cells na hindi kayang gawin ng synthetic drugs at vitamins? First one is cell repair. Second one is cell replacement. Hindi po kayang mag-replace. Kunyari, may mga worn out cells sa katawan po natin na dahil din sa mga bisyo natin, sa sobrang stress, sa hindi po natin pagtulog ng maayos, may mga dead cells sa katawan natin. At the only thing na kaya po mag-replace ng cells sa atin is yung cells din. So synthetic drugs and chemicals and vitamins, they cannot replace cells. And most especially, is cell regeneration. Only live cells can regenerate more cells. Malinaw?
Yes.
Malinaw. Yeah. So simple lang po. When we talk about stem cells, like heals like. Example po itong stage. This is plywood, I think. So kapag ito pong plywood ay nasira, nabutas, ang pang-repair po dito ng Palacio de Maynila is plywood din. Tama po? Hindi po nila ipapalit dito ang yero. So same goes sa our body. Kaya recover kasi ang pinang-re-repair natin sa katawan natin ay synthetic drugs. Hindi po tayo gawa doon. So, medyo naliliwanagan na po ba tayo? So, later on po sa mga next speakers, mas maliliwanagan kayo. And we're not just the only one talking about stem cells. Actually, there's a lot of publications being released in the past years. Ang pinaka-favorite ko po dyan is the publications from Time Magazine. Time Magazine, familiar po ba kay Time Magazine?
Yes.
Time Magazine po is a very prestigious company na sa sobrang sikat po nila, they will never release a publication without thorough research and studies. So, ibig sabihin, nung nirelease po nila yung information about stem cells, legit, tama po, may mga doctors din silang na interview about it. And ang pinaka-favorite ko po dito is yung stem cell hope. It is bringing hope to a lot of people. Autism, HIV, stem cell to treat diabetes. Actually, if you're going to search stem cell right now, you will learn a lot about it and how beneficial it is. So, Ma'am CJ, what are the methods for us to receive the benefits of stem cells nowadays? So, let me show you the first 6. First one is placenta injection in Switzerland. Ito po yung ginagawa nila. Ponce Enrile, Imelda Marcos, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, ERAP. If you know them, ito po yung ginagawa nila sa health nila. The reason why, bakit si Ponce Enrile, 100 years now, turning this coming February 14 and still working in Malacanang. Pwede po magpalakpakan natin yon. Ayan. Placenta injection is expensive because it will cost you 1.6 million to 2 million per session. And kada session, and kada condition po, depends pa po kung severe yung condition nyo, depende pa po kung ilang kadami yung sessions na kailangan nyo. Next is stem cell transplant. This is also expensive. It will cost you hundreds of thousands and also painful. Stem cell transplant po, the best example there is, example, I have a damaged eye. Left eye ko damaged. And yung right eye ko is okay pa, working pa siya. So, ang gagawin ng doctor, they will extract stem cells sa right eye ko, ililipat nila sa kabila without anesthesia. Anong mas masakit? Broken hearted or yung stem cell transplant? Transplant, no? O, pag sinabi niyo broken hearted, susukan ko kayo ng karayong ngayon. Tingnan natin kung alin yung mas masakit. Joke lang po. Kidding aside, that's how painful it is. And also, expensive. Next is cord blood banking. Dito ko lang po nalaman na pwede po palang i-bank ang umbilical cord ng baby nung pagkapanganak. So, it is powerful kasi yung blood po pala sa umbilical cord, it is very rich in stem cells. Na kapag ginamit po yan ng mother and the baby lang po, bawal si daddy or pinsan, lolo, lola, bawal, doon lang po sa dalawa. Alam niyo po ba na kapag kinailangan ng mother and the baby to, 80% ang survival rate nila. Kahit gaano pa katindi yung hinaharap ng health problem. But then, mischance and time limit kasi sinuda po dito yung mga nanganak na. Yan. Aware po ba kayo na pwedeng ibangka ang umbilical cord? Hindi po, di ba? Karamihan po sa atin hindi alam, hindi ko rin po alam yan noon. And time limit kasi hanggang 20 years lang po siya and mag-expire na siya. So usually po sa atin nagkakaroon tayo ng sakit kapag nasa 30s and 40s. Tama po? So, masasayang yung milyon-milyon na babank mo dito. Yung gagastusin mo to back ang umbilical cord. Next is, sinong gusto ng mura? Mura? Ayun na po ng murang stem cells? Mura na po. Akin na lang. Joke lang po. There is mura available in beauty salon. However, when we talk about mura, medyo mag-isip na po kayo. Kasi when we talk about stem cells, it should be done by a professional. Hindi lang basta nurse. Hindi lang basta beauty salon sa tabi-tabi. Kasi kapag alam niyo po pag nag-extract tayo ng stem cells, alive po ha, ng stem cells, in just a matter of 2 seconds, 1 second, namamatay na po yan agad. That's how fragile it is or yung delikado kapag ka-in-extract mo. So it should be really done by a professional. Next is healthy lifestyle. Aware din po ba kayo na ang katawan natin ngayon, kahit ano pa pong edad nyo, is nagkikreate pa ng stem cells. However, as we age, the count of the stem cells and the potency of our stem cells are being decreased as we age. So, ibig sabihin po, kahit pa sabihin natin sobrang healthy natin mula bata tayo hanggang mag 70 years old tayo, wala pa rin tayong ligtas kasi natural na po sa katawan ng tao ang humihina ang katawan. Tama po? Kapag hindi ka tao. So, healthy lifestyle lifestyle, para magkaroon ka ng potent na stem cells, you should have healthy diet, hindi ka nai-stress. Pag nakikita mo yung asawa mo, hindi ka pa rin nai-stress, kaya ba yun? Pag nakikita yung due date sa ref, kaya ba rin bang hindi ma-stress? So medyo hindi natin napipigilan yun, tama? And kung gusto mo talaga magkaroon ng magandang count ng stem cells sa katawan mo, dapat hindi ka rin gumakain ng fast food. Eh kaso lahat tayo dito guilty doon. Tama po ba? Ayun, hindi na kayo nagsasalita. Guilty kayo, no? Next po is adult stem cells banking. When we talk about stem cells po, the younger the better. So if I'm 27 years old right now and I'm going to decide na mag-bank po ng stem cells ko dahil sa unhealthy lifestyle na meron ako, my stem cells age could be 2 times or 3 times of my stem cells kapag in-extract sila. So, is there any convenient, effective, and affordable way? Yes, there is. And that is the oral capsule modern technology. Pwede po bang palakpakan muna natin si Riway bago ko po i-discuss tong slide na to? Nasabi ko po sa inyo na hindi madali ang buhay na stem cell. We are talking about living organism. So kung i-capsulize po natin yan, hindi po ito katulad ng malunggay na kapag dinry natin, pinatuyo, dinurog, ilagay sa capsule, okay na. When we talk about stem cell, it should be alive when we take it hanggang sa pumasok sa sistema natin. So, ito po yung mga technologies na ginamit ni Riway International, ginastosan ng milyon-milyon to come up with an oral form of live stem cell therapy na possible na po siyang mag-benefit sa loob ng katawan natin nang hindi na kailangan pumunta sa Switzerland, hindi na kailangan ng turok, ng turok na walang anesthesia. So, pwede na po pala. So, let me share you the technology. First technology is supercritical extraction. This is to allowing us to receive the benefit of live cells 99% of its biological activity. Kumbaga, sino po ditong nakakita na ng gata, yung pinipigang gata? Pinipigang gata po? Wala nga, konti lang. Alright, thank you po. Thank you po sa response nyo. Alam nyo po ba, ang biological activity ng gata na nakukuha natin is just 20%. Kahit anong pagawin natin dyan. But using this technology, kaya natin siyang i-maximize up to 99%. Pwede po mong palakpakan natin si Riway. Meron na po palang ganitong klaseng technology at take note. Hindi lang po ito ginamit sa live cells natin. This technology is being used to it's 12 more ingredients sa loob pa po ni per tier ng therapy natin. Next is freeze drying technology. Ito po yung technology na ginamit to make sure na kayang ma-preserve ang live cells natin to be bioactive for 3 to 4 years. Next technology po is nitrogen-filled technology. Tinanggal po ang oxygen kasi it carries bacteria. Example, kapag po naghiwa ako dito sa harapan nyo ngayon ng isang apple, ano pong mangyayari? Nagba-brown. Hindi po ba nagdadalawa muna? Joke lang. Joke po yun actually. Hindi. Kinakabahan ako pero thank you so much po. Pwede mo palakpakan natin si Riway. So pag hinati ko yun, syempre magiging dalawa muna. Tama? So kapag in less than 5 minutes, kung nare-recall nyo po, no? In less than 5 minutes, yung apple natin nagba-brown. And that's what we call oxidation. Oxygen po kasi carries bacteria. So kapag ang capsule natin may lamang oxygen, mamamatay din or mabubulok din yung live cells sa loob. So, ang ginawa ni Riway International, dahil alam nilang may ganun pong mangyayari, tinanggal si oxygen at pinalitan ng nitrogen-filled technology. Next is enteric-coated technology. Ito po yung favorite kong technology. Alam niyo po ba yung stomach acid natin ay sobrang tapang. Kaya niyang tumunaw ng bakal at kahoy. Kaya every time po na pinipresent namin ng oral live stem cell therapy sa isang doktor, yan ang number 1 nilang concern sa amin. Kasi we're talking about living organism tapos dadaan sa stomach acid. Siyempre hindi po sila maniniwala, but meron na po palang ganitong technology existing na yung mismong coat po ng capsule natin kayang i-withstand or i-bypass lang ang stomach acid natin, and it is designed to dissolve in our small intestine where absorption happens. Pwede po bang palakpakan natin ulit si Riway about this? Alright, next is emulsification technology. Emulsification technology is allowing the ingredients to be more smaller na kaya pong i-penetrate ang smallest veins in our body. Yung capillaries, natutunan ko po ito kay Ma'am Helen. Capillaries, ano po yung capillaries? Ano yung mga smallest veins na yan? Located po yan sa brain, sa eyes, at sa ears natin. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo po dito, sino po dito may kakilalang mahal sa buhay, or anyone you know na merong sakit na may kinalaman sa utak, stroke, autism, Alzheimer, sino pong may mga kilala? Kahit hindi nyo close, sino? Kung mapapansin nyo po, no, lahat ng mga may kinalaman na sakit doon sa brains natin, ang tagal ng recovery. Pansin nyo? Bakit? Kasi yung brains po natin has the smallest veins in our body na even synthetic drugs, vitamins, or injection hindi kayang abutin. But with this technology, kayang-kaya pong abutin lahat ng kasulok-sulukan ng parte ng katawan natin. Kaya later on, if you're going to search about the therapy and may maririnig kayo or may malalaman kayo na stories na may kinalaman sa brains na naka-recover, wag na po kayong magtaka. That is because of this technology. And last technology is BioSoft Gel technology. This is what we call the booster. So kapag na-dissolve na po yan sa small intestine natin, pumasok na siya sa sistema, BioSoft Gel will take place to make sure that all the ingredients of our therapy can be absorbed by our body as fast as it can. Pwede po bang palakpakan natin si Riway International for coming up with these amazing technologies? And let's give a round of applause to our 4th year, 7th edition. Ayan. So, I hope po na may natandaan kayo na pwede nyo pong baunin pag-uwi. Hindi nyo man po ito kailangan ngayon. Sabihin po natin healthy kayo, but sooner or later, we will definitely need it. Tama po? Kung hindi man yun, for sure may kaibigan ka, mag-anak or kakilala ka na kailangan malaman to. So, right now, we are passing you the burden to share the blessing. Kasi, naniniwala po ba kayo, hindi lahat ng blessing pera. Tama? Minsan ang blessing information lang. Kaya thank you so much for all the guests who come tonight para po ma-share namin to sa inyo. Maraming salamat po for listening. I hope you have the great evening and enjoy the event po. To God be all the glory. Thank you so much po for listening.